The best time to buy an outdoor structure is
all the time.
Actually, it kind of depends on what you're trying to do. If you're planning way ahead, the best time to buy is usually fall, winter, that kind of time frame. Reason being is it's a seasonal market. Outdoor shade products, outdoor structures, they see their highest demand in the spring and summer, and usually can get some sort of a sale or discount price in the fall or winter. Now, the next thing is, when is the best time to actually build that structure? When you're building it, the biggest thing to worry about is if the ground is frozen. Because if you have to dig footers, or even if you don't, it is very difficult to build something when it is below freezing. The other thing to take into account is if it's the spring, and let's say it's the rainy season, if you have to dig footers, it may take longer for your concrete to cure because the ground is so damp. All right, now let's say you have a much larger project. You're doing a whole backyard renovation. You got landscaping, maybe you're getting a pool, I mean, who knows? In that situation, it is usually best to put in your structure first and then build the greenery around it. That may seem counterintuitive. The reason why is you want to make sure that the structure itself is integrated into the flooring. Let's say you have stamped tile or concrete. You want to make sure that you build it around your structure rather than put the structure in afterwards. If you have pavers, for example, you may have to come back, remove those pavers, put your structure down, and then cut the pavers around the post. You're doing the same work twice. Why not just get it done the first time? You'll save some time and money. Now, if you have any questions or any other topics you want us to answer at the Luxury Pergola, please put them in the comments. If you want to call us for your project, there's a link in the description where you can go to our website. We got contact forms and all kinds of information. So give us a call, and thanks for watching.